Gentlemen, say hi monkey. Hi monkey, hi Paul. How are you, mate? Doing fine, thank you. Just going to help with these freesias here. Just there, isn't it, mate? Thank you very much. So yeah, I've got 2 pots of freesias here that were started several weeks ago. They don't normally flower this time of year. I would normally be potting them on about now, which I've got half the packet left to do now, and those will go outside when the last frost has stopped. So what we'll be doing with those is, I've got some flower bamboo, a bit like large chopsticks, 2 of those in each one of the pots, and then I'm using the wire to tie them off, because this one here, nice flowers on there, double. This one has got double again, nice flowers here, and this one has been under the grow lights, this one hasn't. That's why this one has grown leggier and longer. So I'll be putting 2 canes in here. This was sprayed for a white fly probably 4 or 5 days ago. Just see the remnants in the bottom there. You can just see in the bottom, they're just all the dead white fly. So what I'll do is just set the camera up and then we'll get cracking, folks. So yeah, first of all, I'll just do the one at the back first, just get the camera set up. Yeah, these have been really good creatures. Really happy with these. These are from Thompson and Morgan. Just see if I can get the packet out. I've still got the packet here somewhere. No. But yeah, these are from Thompson and Morgan. They've done really well. 2 canes in that one. And this one, 2 canes. You don't want them too near the flower because you don't want to go through. You don't want to go through the bulblet. And just take yourself some wire. With this one, I shall spin this round here, like so. Then I cross it over like a tiny shoelace. And you just pinch it back so it's a twist. And just like so. And just pull it tight like you're going to do a shoelace. Like so. Further up. And I shall do another one of these again. Tie it off. Yeah, always like to do this with these because you get quite heavy flowers and you don't like pulling over the edge. So once that's done like so, I shall get the wire, just snip it off. That's that one done. And then I can do this one at this side, do that one later, but the cane's already in there, which is great. But this side, this one, these have grown a lot leggier, these. Probably overfed them. So there's a lot here. I'll try and go all the way round all these and get them all in the middle. All the way around like so. Yeah, as you can see there is a lot. Spin it around the top here twice, and then around here. Yeah, as you can see, if I didn't do this, there's no way that these flowers would stay straight, no way at all. So I shall spin this around here, tie it off, and this one as well, round again. Just spin it, twist it, give it a good twist. And then off like so. So yeah, still doesn't look brilliant, but what'll happen with these is, now they're tied up, they should start growing a lot straighter. And if I do need to put, see the flower stem there, nice and protected, that's the main thing. But I might have to put some canes in because, as you can see, these are quite tall. This one is fine. Probably well, probably 2/3 of the height. But yeah, that's my Freesias. How to support them and how to tie them off. Like I said, I'll put another picture just around this one while we've got it. Same again, just cross it over and just twist it like so. Right up near the top, and then get both pieces of wire. Bit of a twist, like so. Great, tidy that up. As you can see, there's a flower stalk comes out of that one. Just get that one to one side. There's the flower stalk comes out of there. That will give it some nice support. I can push this one further up to the top, which is better for this one. Yeah, they're all done nicely. Yeah, if you've got any questions about anything I'm growing in my greenhouse, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And this is how to put your plant supports in for your Freesias. Like I said, this one looks a bit of a mess, but I'm going to have another 3 or 4 stems of flowers coming out of this, and it'll straighten itself up once it's been in there a few days. So yeah, how to tie up and support your Freesias. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the videos, please subscribe. Say goodbye, Monkey. Goodbye, Monkey. Goodbye, Paul. Thanks for your help, Monkey. No problem. Yeah, happy sowing, happy growing. Please subscribe and like. Thank you. Bye.